The Beri.Hv.Line is a production line that has been specially developed for the semi-automated processing of high-voltage cables. It consists of various machines that can be individually tailored to your cables. Converting to other cables and changing tools, if necessary, is quick, easy, and cost-effective. In this example, we show a Coroplast Coroflex cable with shielding foil, which we pre-damage for easier subsequent stripping. First, we pre-damage the foil with the Beri.Mac Magic using an induction process. This step enables clean cutting. We then use the AM All-Round HV to strip the outer insulation, including the shielding foil, and expose the braid underneath. Now we cut the braid with our Beri.Co cut. Any remaining braiding residue is removed from the cable with the Beri.Co Clean. The support ring is now attached to the cable with our Beri wrap-up, and the braid is slipped over. The inner insulation layer is cut with another AM All-Round HV and partially stripped in this example. This highly flexible production line is ideal for assembling small to medium-sized series or as a supplement to fully automated production systems.